Well, as the school year approaches, there remains a common concern among parents about what happens if a student tests positive for COVID-19. Well, yesterday, Jamestown school superintendent addressed just that during a live Q&A session. As our Christine Kuzminski explains, the district has several protocols to help keep students safe.
Last week, Jamestown Public School officials released their revised fall reopening plan, which includes guidelines for students and staff who test positive for COVID-19. During a Facebook Live town hall on Tuesday, several parents brought up concerns about how the district will deal with a positive case of COVID-19. Superintendent Dr. Kevin Whitaker says after investigating the case, the county health department will get involved.
They began their contact tracing program, which is a thing that's in existence throughout the state. And the contact tracers will work with us to determine who that person had contact with. This is why it's important to have those cohorts, those smaller groups at first, so that we can say, yes, during these hours on these days, these were the people, based on absence and presence, who were in the vicinity of this person. And they'll make a determination based on distance and time spent with the infected person about quarantine. They will tell us what the required health procedure would be. They may say anything from, it doesn't appear anyone was close enough to have a risk of infection, so maintain standard PPE, mask, and protocols, and watch for symptoms. Or they may say it does appear that a person or some people were in close contact for longer than 10 minutes, and they should be quarantined. And that would be the case that those individuals will be quarantined. They may tell us that the rest of the students in that room are to watch for symptoms.
In the plan released last week, students will be returning to class. However, they will be divided into what the school calls cohorts, basically smaller groups, to help limit the possible transmission of the virus. Reporting in Jamestown, Christine Kuzminski, WNY News Now.
Christine, thank you. This week, all schools across New York are required to hold question and answer sessions with parents and teachers in the community.